Good morning, it's me, Jimmy. Make sure to check out Skillshare because I'm teaching on Skillshare. The question is quite simple. The question is that there are like small snails, small tiny snails are walking past by me. I don't understand why. So the question is quite simple. I'm sorry, I just guessed. I lost track of the question. I'm extremely sorry. The question is about the mechatronic engineering. Do I recommend Canada for the advanced? I don't want to get a bite. Go away. So yeah, do I recommend the advanced? Do I recommend advanced diploma in mechatronic in Canada? That was the question. The answer is yes, yes, yes. I recommend because it's a very useful skill. A lot of people ask me why I'm against mechanical engineering. I'm not against mechanical engineering. I love mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a field which seduces me, which makes me horny. There's no doubt. I love the fetish of mechanical engineering. I love working with the work tool. To be honest with you, like circular saw, like a jigsaw saw. I mean, I'm like a grinder, like a solder wire, or maybe I just love working with it. Or even in the early stage of prototyping, doing the mechanical, I love the rulers, like various kind of rulers. I mean, blue chart, pencils. I love it. I love mechanical engineering. I love especially hands-on cutting the wood, making a prototype. I love it. I get it. But the problem is that this is not the industrial revolution. Industrial revolution is over, my friend. It's over. It's over in 19th century. This is the 21st century. We do not need mechanical engineer. We need specialized engineer. It's better you get a mechanical engineering degree if you are going to specialize with your master. A lot of people just go and get a mechanical bachelor and then a mechanical master, and they ask me, Jimmy, why we couldn't find a job? Because there is no job. I know, like I have to say, right, in my life I came to know 5 professional mechanical engineer which was totally unemployed, or they are working in a field not related. Some was in some, like 2 of them was in consultant, and 1 was interior design, and 2 was doing some like nonsensical job which are totally not related to their field. That is a problem. We do not need. The high employment rate is very high for a mechanical. That's why I say, if you love electronic engineering, if you love mechanical engineering, if you love computer science, if you love computer programming, if you love software development, if you love electrical engineering, if you love IT, then go and get a degree in a mechatronic. Especially right now, the rise of the AI, artificial intelligence, the rise of the self-driving vehicles, the rise of the AI robots. We need more mechatronic. The main purpose of getting a mechatronic is that you can build and design some kind of a robot, against some kind of a robot. It is not the robot which you see in the movies or in fiction. Maybe some kind of ugly robot, maybe a square robot with no eyes. A lot of people think a robot have to have face and eyes. No, in real world, when a mechatronic engineer designing some kind of robot, or maybe he's designing some kind of arm, he do not need to design a face of it. Okay, by the way. So yeah, mechanical engineering is dead. Mechatronic is the way to go. But mechatronic will be hard because you will be mastering a lot of field. It will be hard. It will be brutal hard. It will be super brutal hard. It will be like 10 times harder than getting a mechanical engineering. So yeah, that will be my answer. I hope I answered the question. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section box below. It was me, Jimmy Geek. I'm super tired. I need to go and take a nap. So anyway, yeah, it was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel, Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine, Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.